Welcome to Parcel 6, one of the next parcels to be taken forward in the Orchards area of the Wychelstowe development. I'm Rob Pow, the Wychelstowe Development Manager, and I'd like to take you through our plans. The Orchards open up a new area of development at Wychelstowe, which will be accessed off Scott Way. Parcel 6 is located in the northwest corner of Wychelstowe, and alongside Parcel 4 will form a northern gateway into the Orchards area. The planning application includes residential development, new footpaths and some landscaping improvements. The residential areas are divided into two parts, with a green street running through the centre. The residential development will include 106 new homes, which will include a mix of apartments and 2, 3 and 4 bed houses. All of these new homes will be built and sold by Barratt Homes on behalf of the Wychelstowe joint venture. Parcel 6 will contain the first section of Green Street. The Green Streets will run east-west through the orchards and will be a distinct feature of this phase of development. The focus of the Green Streets will be the central pedestrian corridor, which will run through an area of planting which includes small ponds and areas of wetland. Either side of the pedestrian route, the houses will be built out of reconstituted stone, which will provide a strong and attractive contrast to the surrounding brick development. The nature and feel of the Green Streets will be distinct within Wychelstowe, and this will aid legibility and wayfinding for residents and visitors to the development. The properties along the western boundary, known as the Western Green, will have their own character, consisting of a regular rhythm of red brick and 2-storey homes, which will only be punctuated by the Green Street. A new bridleway will run through the green space to the west of the parcel. This bridleway will move through an area of new planting, with paths linking into the development at regular intervals. The trees chosen will include apple, cherry and walnut trees, reinforcing the orchard's character. Along this route, plain trim trail equipment will be included, and the bridleway will start to form a new 5-kilometre running route within the green space at Wychelstowe. Within Parcel 6, different tree types will also be used along both Scott Way and the western edge to create an avenue of trees. Scott Way will be one of the primary streets running through the development. The architecture along this route will be larger in scale, with predominantly 3-storey semi-detached properties, again punctuated by the Green Street. A feature apartment block will form the northern gateway. Sustainability and ecology continue to be carefully considered and integrated within the Wychelstowe development. Parcel 6 will include bird and bat boxes within the new homes, and all homes will have the ability to install an electric car charging point, with many already activated. If you would like to look at some of the plans in more detail, you can find them on the news page of the Wychelstowe website, which is linked below. Once the full set of plans have been submitted to the Planning Authority, these will be available on the planning portal and formal comments can be submitted. Please look out for further updates on our social media regarding the planning submission and application process. Thank you for taking the time to watch our overview video of the Parcel 6 development.